Oi, laddies! We got some birds in it! Got some birds, bruv. So here are some freaking birds! This is Wetland Birds Series 1. There is no Series 2 for the wetlands. Lots of guys. I have the full series. I'm not missing any birds from this particular series that I know of. And yeah, I like the colors they use for the series. First fella is the common yellowthroat. So, it's one of my favorites because it's a warbler, and I love warblers. Yellowthroat, common yellowthroat. Here's his tag. It says common yellowthroat. There's the series right there. Wetland birds. See, this is a pretty cool one. I love the style of it for some reason. It has olive on the back. And it's a yellowthroat, so you gotta add the yellow throat. And he has like a little black fabric beak. And his eyes are brownish. It's kind of hard to see on camera. Overall, pretty nice bird. I'm glad I have this one. It's a warbler! So, yeah. I would give this one a 8 out of 10. So let's see when it was made. 2008. Cool. Now, when was he released? On May 29th, 2003. Yeah, this guy was released in 2003. Of course, mine is from 2008. But the bird was released in 2003. They just kept making it for a few years. So here's a nice look at the tag. Audubon birds with real bird calls, common yellowthroat, Wild Republic. And there's a painted bunting painting on the tag by Audubon. So here's the release date. May 29th. Also known as the birthday, technically. So yeah, he was released on May 29th of 2003. Common yellowthroat in big letters. Here's the description of the bird. I'm not reading this, so you can read it if you want. You can pause the video. Common yellowthroat. And it says the scientific name right there. Just a really pretty bird. Here is the bird's range. And some other series over here. So here is the whole community of birds from the series, their stock photos. Yeah. And here's the barcode. Wow! So yeah, that's a pretty good bird. I like this bird a lot. Oh, there's one page I forgot. It's the very last page on the tag. This just shows odds and ends. It says where it was recorded. And it's 2006 right there. So yeah, pretty nice. Next is the great blue heron. It's a very floppy one. This is my first wetland bird I ever got. I got him a while back. He's had a rough time. It's mostly pretty accurate. It's blue. I love the yellow eyes have for it, and its beak is a carrot. And here, and I don't know when it was made. Oh yeah, it was 2007, but its tag's worn now. His release date is actually May 24th of 2003. So that's before the yellowthroat. So look at his wings. Very blue. He has a dark patch right there, and this bright blue above the eye that I really like. And it just overall has a really good color scheme. Oh, I forgot to do their names. Dang it. This guy's name was Marsh, and this dude's name is River. Yeah. Pretty nice bird. It doesn't work. It doesn't even have a sound box anymore. Next is the belted kingfisher. Look at this crazy guy. Look at that crazy hair. That's one crazy guy. This is another pretty good one. I don't know this one's release date. Lots of birds out right now. Let's hear them. Goes for a while. So this one's nice. It's a very nice, like, powder blue, if that's the right color. It has even cooler blue right here in the front. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, really nice beak. It's white on the base and black the tip. And the beak is fabric. So yeah. And let's see when it was made. 2013. Okay. So yeah, I can't remember what I named this one. Oh yeah, Lake. This is Lake. Hey, Lake. Belted kingfisher. Look at this stupid guy. And we have the tree swallow. Oh man! This guy, I named this one Opal. This is a tree swallow. Wetland birds. Its release date is June 5th, 2003. So she's really pretty. She's blue above, white below with these nice, neat black wings. And her eyes are brown. I don't know if you can see it. She has these cool dark markings on her eyes. I love her so much. I got her in 2021. January 2021, I'm pretty sure. Look at this critter. Yep. She is from 2011. Wow, look at this creature. And look at this ridiculous looking guy. This is Mr. Mesquite. This is a trumpeter swan. Look at that ridiculous face. Look how funny he looks. He's like staring into your soul. Like, see, his eyes are popping out. See? I bet I'm being pretty mean to him right now. So this one's really cute. I like this one. Its name is Mr. Mesquite. It has a fabric beak. And its overall white fluffiness. It's very fluffy looking. Its release date was May 23rd of 2003. So this is the first one, actually, they ever made in the Wetland series. But it's just so silly. It doesn't work. It does not work. It used to work. I don't know what happened. I tried to change it, but it didn't work. And we have, lastly, the great egret. Ooh, look at this goofy goober. Only in Ohio, guys. Only in Ohio. That was a joke. Don't take that seriously. I know that meme is, like, dead. So here's the great egret. He's from 2003. This is my only, wetland bird that was actually made when it was released. Since 2003, I don't know if you can see it, the camera is not gonna focus. But yeah, here is the great egret tag. Released on June 1st, 2003. Take a look at that tag. Wetland birds. This is actually the last wetland bird. They're all in a pile now. So here's the whole community. Yeah, there's him. There he is right there. It's the great egret. And the sound, that sound, it was recorded in, well, apparently it was recorded in Florida. Wow. Florida's weird. So, that's all of the Wetland Birds series.